Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back to chapter number 7 of history, that is science and technology. Today we'll see the technological progress. A factory manufacturing railway engines, this we have done. That factories are, we are even producing the engines and manufacturing the engines to sell, and in the import also, and we are doing the export also in the engines. Now we'll start with telex service. The Department of Telecommunication under the Ministry of Communication started the telex service in 1963 to transmit typed messages from one part from the country to another rapidly. In 1969, the telex service started in Devangiri script in Delhi. Later, it is spread all over the country. This service begins to be used in a different field with the rise of the internet after 1990. The significance of this service reduced. See now what happened? The telecommunication. That means the typing messages are forwarded from one country to another. It is started from Devangiri script in Delhi. Now after some times we started focusing on internet. Now the internet is very common and usual for day to day life, that everybody is now dependent on internet. Now satellite communication center. In order to establish satellite communication with the help of an artificial satellites, a domestic satellites communicating Earth station was established in 1967 at Jodhpur, Decca near Ahmedabad. This made it easy to train scientists and technicians in the setting up and running on the Earth station within the country. In 1970, a center was established in Aravali near Pune, occupied for international communication service, telecommunication service. See now what happened? After we have focused in the telecommunication sector, now we have satellites to get the information from one country to another. We have rapidly change and establish a different communication sectors and progress in the communication sector. That means we are getting news, we are getting communication. We can communicate with one person who's sitting in abroad or in the other country through the satellites, through the internet, and we are getting the information about the different countries through the satellites and communication service. Now pin code. From 15 August 1972, the Post and the Telegraph Department started the 6-digit pin code system in the country. The postal index code was intended to bring efficiency in distributing the mail. In this system, the country was divided into 9 regions. The first digit of pin code indicates the region, the second digit indicates the sub-region, and the third digit show the main distribution district, while the remaining 3 digits show the location of the local post office. For Maharashtra, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 are the first 2 digits. In 1986, the speed post service was started to send postage rapidly. See, now we have upgrade in the telecommunication and the satellite service. But what happened? After that, we have to focus on this pin code service, that after getting the pin code, it is easier to post the mail to the mail offices and even for the postage thing to get the mail in a through this postal index code. That means now in Bhiwandi we have 42102, 42103. In Thane we have a different code. In Pune we have different code. In Kalyan we have different code. So this is easier for the postal service to post mails to this particular area. Now, International Subscriber Dealing Telephone Service. In 1972, Overseas Communication Service was established in Mumbai for the management of international telecommunication service. In 1976, the International Subscriber Dial Telephone service was started to connect Mumbai and London directly on the phone. Alongside the teleservice like telex, teleprinter and the radio images were started. In 1986, Videsh Shankar Nigam Limited took a big leap in the field. Before that, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited (MTNL) was public sector company for giving telephone service in a big cities. In the 90s, Videsh Shankar Nigam Limited held the distinctions of being the main internet service provider in India. The contribution of Sam Pitroda in the field in the significance. Now after telecommunication, telepost and mail, we have started focusing on communication overseas, not even in Mumbai, even into the London. We can directly communicate with them on the phones, and this is very easier by dialing communicating service centers. We can, like I said, in internet we can now connect with the London people or American people very easily. In that, in 1970s, 72 or 86, we have started dealing with these people. We'll see till here. Next, we'll continue in next lecture. Thank you.